samorodni has a Polish etymology and translates to as it comes, which means that grapes are not affected with Botrytis cinerea, which is a noble rot, that grapes are sorted in the vineyard. Then 3, whole bunches are picked with a portion of Botrytis cinerea affected berries. And 4, it is sold still fermenting. Which one is it? So you can tell that this is my native language, the Polish, and we're very proud that Hungarians actually chose to use that as one special word to indicate a style of the Tokaj. So I'm looking at the answers coming in. There are quite a lot of 3s. There are some 1s and 2s. We'll wait for the music to go off.
Okay, and we're ready.
Okay, so perfect. There's your answer at 3. You scored. That is the answer. So what happens with the samorodni style, the whole bunches are picked with affected, Botrytis affected berry and fresh berries, because Botrytis cinerea does not affect whole berry in the same way. It develops on berry in stages. This is the reason why when you make a sweet wine, you pick berries in what we call thrice. So pickers will go into the vineyard and pick several times the perfectly ripened berries with perfectly formed Botrytis cinerea on the berry several times throughout the seasons. Hence, those have to be very skilled employees that really know and understand when the berry is perfectly ripe and when it is the Botrytis that we're looking for, because that can also change into the rot that can smell moldy and unpleasant if the weather is not right and the rains are coming. So let's move on. From here, we're going back to sherry, and PX sherry is often called luscious when we're talking about the flavor description. So what is the minimum sweetness level of PX, which stands for Pedro Jimenez sherry? Is it 112 grams of residual sugar per liter, 212, 312, or 412. Again, take a look at the minimum sweetness. So the answers are coming in. We have 3s, we have 1s.
Okay, and the music has stopped. So we have some people choosing 312. We have some choices for 112. And yeah, so right now...
Jerry, there you go. That is a number. Oh, I see. I apologize. I see that my computer tricked me. And yes, the answer is 212, and it was supposed to be number 2, which the numbers are not matching up. But it does start at 212 grams of residual sugar per liter, and it actually often is 400 grams.